Write down. In a test on a three-cylinder, in a test on a three-cylinder, in a test on a three-cylinder, four-stroke IC engine, four-stroke IC engine with 22 centimeter bore, 22 centimeter bore and 26 centimeter stroke, 26 centimeter stroke, comma, the following were the observations, the following were the observations during a trial period of 1 hour, during a trial period of 1 hour. If I am going fast, you can tell me. Is it okay? ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕೇನಪ್ಪ?
ಬೇಡ ಸರ್.
Okay. And the trial period of 1 hour, full stop. Fuel consumption 8 kg. Fuel consumption 8 kg. Calorific value 45,000 kilojoules per kg. Calorific value 45,000 kilojoules per kg. Total revolutions of the crankshaft, total revolutions of the crankshaft 12,000. Total revolutions of the crankshaft 12,000. Mean effective pressure 6 bar. Mean effective pressure 6 bar. Net load on brake. Net load on brake 1.5 kilonewton. Net load on brake 1.5 kilonewton. Brake drum dia 1.8 meter. Brake drum dia 1.8 meter, comma, rope dia 3 centimeter. Mass of cooling water 550 kg. Mass of cooling water 550 kg. Inlet temperature of water 27 degrees Celsius, comma, exit temperature of the water 55 degrees Celsius. Comma, air consumed 300 kg. 300 kg. Ambient temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Exhaust gas temperature 310 degrees Celsius. Exhaust gas temperature 310 degrees Celsius. Specific heat of gases is equal to 1.1 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. 1.1 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Full stop. Calculate first one, indicated and brake power. Second one, mechanical efficiency. Third one, indicated thermal efficiency. Also draw heat balance sheet in kilojoules per minute. Also draw a heat balance sheet in kilojoules per minute. Now I will ask some of the doubts. You tell me how many cylinders in this one?
3 cylinders.
What is the stroke value? K value.
Four.
K value.
Okay.
If it is 4 stroke means what is the K value? If it is a 2 stroke means what is the K value?
Half, sir. If it is 4, K value is half.
K value is half. If it is 4 stroke means K value is half. And what is the diameter given? Diameter of the boat? Yes. 22 centimeter. So convert into meters. I'll write one by one. Where small n equals spawn n equals 3, and if it is 4 stroke, K is equal to 1 by 2, and what is a small d is equal to 22 centimeters. What is the after conversion of meters?
0.22.
Is it correct? And what is the L value here? What is the meaning of L here? Stroke length. 26 centimeter. Convert into meters. 0.26 meters. And what is the mass of the fuel? They are given as 8 kg. 8 kg, but I want in terms of kg per hour, because we are doing the entire trial for 1 hour period. 1 hour period. So kg per hour convert ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Divided by 3000.
3000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ? 0.133 kilojoules per, oh sorry, this is given in kg per hour. 1 minute.
.133 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಅದೇ divided by 60 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
1 minute. Because this is we are taking for entire 1 period. This is kg per hour. I want to convert for minute. 0.133 kg per minute. Okay. And again you can convert for seconds also. 2.22 kg per second. ಓಕೆನಾ 0.133 ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ I want that entire value of kg per minute into seconds.
Divide by 3600.
Divide by 3600. Now, what is the CV value given? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 45,000. Correct. And what is the capital N value given?
1200.
Hey, 1200. It is 12,000. 12,000 RPM. That is revolutions for 1 hour is equal to 1 hour andre
60 minutes.
200 RPM. 12,000 by 60 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 12,000 by 60 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ
200 RPM, sir.
Yes, correct. That is given here. We are finding this one because this is given for entire 1 hour. You can see the problem. The problem alle mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ observations during a trial period of 1 hour. So we have on basis of 1 hour only we are taking the values. And what is the mean effective pressure?
6 bar.
6 bar. And what is the W value given?
1.5 kilonewton.
1.5 kilonewton. So I want in Newton means, is it correct? Correct Allah. I want to convert for kilonewton into Newton. Now next one, brake drum dia and rope dia given. The brake drum dia is brake drum equals 1.8 meters, where D rope is equal to 3 centimeter. You have to remember brake drum diameter always capital and rope diameter always small d. Okay. And what is the meaning of MW here?
Mass of cooling water.
Mass of cooling water. This is given in kg per hour. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 550 kg ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but we are taking for 1 hour. So that is 550 kg per hour. Now problem only if they are mentioned like that during a trial period of 1 hour means, so whatever the things you are taking, it is almost all kg per hour. Okay. And what is you convert into kg per minute, but we heat balance sheet we want in kg per minute. 550 by I want for kg per minute idu
Divided by 60.
Divided by 60 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ
9.166 kg per minute.
9.167 kg per minute. And again temperature ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, inlet water temperature ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? What is the water inlet temperature?
Celsius.
27 degrees Celsius. And water outlet temperature?
Sir, bari 20 ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 27 ಅಲ್ಲ. Inlet water.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 27.
Temperature of water is 27.
Okay.
Exit temperature of water is
55 degree.
50, yes 55. 55 degree Celsius. And what is the mass of the air? Mass of the air is 300 kg per hour ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. To convert into minutes, 5 kg per minute. And what is the room temperature value? Room temperature value. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
30 degree.
Room temperature value is 30 degree Celsius. And T exhaust, voice break ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
310 degree.
One minute. Voice break ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Clearly audible?
Yes, sir. Audible. Yes, sir.
Okay, your voice is getting break. Kartikeya. Your voice break ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. The T exhaust is 310 degree Celsius and CPG of water given 1.1 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. So this is the given data. Any doubt in the given data, you can tell me.
No, sir.
So because they are given entire one trial reading, so we are converting. This is given in kg per hour. I am converting this entire kg per hour into kg per minutes because heat balance sheet they asked in kg per minute. Okay, mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now what are the things we have to find out? What is the first question? What is the first point we have to find out? Indicated and brake power. What is the indicated formula?
NPM lambda K by 2 divided by 60.
IP equals ಇದು ತೆಗಿಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Sir.
This is taken right? Now first one I am finding IP equals NPM LAN K 10 by 6. Now you tell me the values. What is the small n value here?
4.
Hey, what is the
3.
small n value?
3.
3. And what is the PM value here? Mean effective pressure value ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಟಕ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. What is the L value? Capital L.
0.26.
0.26.
And this is pi d square by 4. And what is capital N? And what is K? ಈ pi d square by 4 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. pi into what is the D value?
0.22.
0.22 whole square by 4. That will get your capital A value and you can substitute here and tell me the final answer IP in terms of kilowatts. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೇ.
29.650.
Yes, correct. 29.65. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 29.65 kilowatts and BP equals what What is the BP formula? 2 pi nt by 60,000. BP value ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ. You know the value of pi, you know the value of n, we don't know the value of t. T value ಹೆಂಗ್ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? T is equal to
W minus S into R.
W minus S into capital R, where capital R equals 3 drum plus D rope divided by 2. I'll put charges. 1 minute. Okay. Now tell me the value. Tell me R value, W value, and S value.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಆರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ.
Yes, it is in terms of meter only.
Then R value is 1.0.
The D rope and D drum is given, right? 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
What is the D drum value? 1.8. And what is the D rope value? 0.03. Okay. You will get 0.915 meter. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now T is equal to, what is W value? We know the W value.
1.5 into 10 raised to 3.
1.5 into 10 raised to 3. S value 0 and 0.915. Tell me T value now.
1.725.
What is the value?
1.375.
Okay, substitute here. The value na substitute ಮಾಡಿ. What is the value? Tell me.
28.745.
Exactly correct. 28 point. BP value 28.74 kilowatts.
5.
We got IP and BP, right? Now find out mechanical efficiency. Next question is mechanical efficiency. First conditions we got. First condition bantu. Second condition I am finding mechanical efficiency. What is the formula? BP by IP. BP by IP into 100. BP IP 96.93%. And the third condition is, what is the third condition? Indicated thermal efficiency. IP by MF into CV. indicated thermal efficiency value. What is the value of indicated thermal efficiency? Mass of the fuel, you know. What is the mass of the fuel? 2.2.
minutes ಅಲ್ಲ
Huh?
seconds ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ kg per second.
Yes, mass of the fuel always in kg per second. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗೆ IP divided by mass of the fuel in kg per second. kg per second and calorific value.
29.6%.
What is the term called? ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ MF into CV ಏನಂತೀವಿ? This is called as heat input. Heat input. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ Q is equal to MF into CV heat balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Am I right? Yes. What is the value you got? 29.6%. Yes. Now we'll go for heat balance sheet. Any doubt in these three conditions? IP, BP, mechanical efficiency and indicated thermal efficiency? Any doubt?
Yes.
Okay. Now you tell me heat balance sheet. Heat balance sheet. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? kg per minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to go through kg per kilojoules per minute. 1 minute, wrong it is. Kilojoules per minute. This is mentioned in the problem. You can find out. Last condition is the draw heat balance sheet in kilojoules per minute and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is very careful condition. And now what is the first one we have to find out? ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್? heat input value. Q is equal to MF into CV. Is it correct? Find out. MF is I have not taken in kg per second now because my heat balance sheet is in kilojoules per minute. So I have taken as 0.133. Is it correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Next condition. Huh?
6,000 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
6,000 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 0.133 into 45,000 ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.